Hey, what's up guys, it's Junchin aka Lex Q here, and today I'll be reviewing another Alcatroz keyboard. It's also wireless. It's called Trilium-BTR 1. Alright, so let's unbox this. Okay, so what you see here is the Alcatroz Trilium-BTR 1. It's in black color. It's very class with a plastic cover. So let's take out this. Okay, let's see what is inside the box. Oh, there's actually a USB cable to allow you to charge this keyboard. So meaning that this keyboard doesn't need any AAA battery or AA or whatever A it is. Okay, so let's begin and torture this keyboard. Nah, I'm just kidding. Okay, so before you try to connect to your mobile phone or your laptop, desktop, smart TV or whatever things that can be connected through this keyboard, okay, so you need to turn on this on, and then you will see the light is flashing. The power is the battery life is green color, means is almost full. And also this is the first Bluetooth, second Bluetooth and third Bluetooth. So meaning that this keyboard you can connect to 3 different multiple devices. Okay, so right now I'm going to connect to this keyboard using my phones. So go to setting, turn on your Bluetooth. Okay, then you eventually see Alcatroz Trilium-BTR 1. For Android user or Nokia user, no worries, you just follow the steps, go to setting and go to Bluetooth, remember to turn on it and look for Alcatroz Trilium-BTR 1, then you press it. Okay, when your phone shows is connected, then you may start type something, then you may start using it. Alright, so I'm going to record this, screen record it in my phone and also in this video to show you guys whether all the keys is working. Right now I will be recording in both of my devices. One is in phone and one is with my camera. So to let you guys see the live response from the keyboard to my phone. Okay, so let's try to type on something. Hi, my name is Lex. Okay, alright, it's working, everything is working. So now let's try to dim the screen or brighten up the screen to see whether it works or not. So to brighten up the screen, press F1. And you know this is dim down. Okay, brighten up, F2. Okay, it's brighten up. Look at my phone, it's brighten up. It's dim down. Okay, brighten up. Okay, so now let's try to play some music. Alright, let's just play. Alright, J Cho Worlds League of Legends theme song. Okay, seems like the volume is a bit low, so let's try to increase the volume. Volume up is F12. Okay. Okay. Go down, up. Okay. Okay, so right now let's try to pause it. Okay, it's paused. Play again. Pause. Play again. Okay. So seems like the button is working. Okay. Whoa! When I press home, actually go back, and when I press again, go to the multitasking. Okay. Double tap. Swipe, 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 swipe. Okay. So this keyboard also have the UV coated stickers, I guess, on each keypad. So when you see it's like a tape on the key, like legit each of it. So it will last longer than you think, compared to other typical keyboard outside there. Okay, so other than that, the keyboard also contains a soft and silent keypad on each pads. Alright. So when I press hard, okay, when I press soft, it's like completely you cannot listen to the sound that come from the keyboard, right? Okay, so I have bring on my Logitech gaming keyboard to see the comparison of the keypad sound. I mean, of course it's mechanical, but I just wanted to compare the sound between mechanical keyboard and the soft and silent keypads. Alright, so for this keyboard, when I press it soft, okay, let's see this one. It's like I'm touching it, but I'm not pressing it. You know what it means? So for those who are looking for wireless keyboard with such lightweight, you can actually look for Alcatroz Trilium-BTR one. Really light compared to other wireless keyboard. You see it's very slim. It's very slim and is as slim as my body. Okay. Okay, so this is the end of the video. Thanks to Alcatroz for sponsoring me this amazing wireless keyboard again. And I will see you guys in next video. And okay, before I go, next video I will be reviewing a Megadon gaming headset, and it's going to give away to 3 lucky winners because I have 3 pairs of them. Alright, so see you guys in next video. Don't forget to stay tuned to my page, Urgent Chin, aka RNG Lex Q. See you guys soon. Peace out.